I put the transmission in as far as I could, marked where the shifter was hitting the floor, and this is the center line. So I made a hole, and it's a little bit further back and to the left than I expected. I have this hump, and I believe it's supposed to be coming through somewhere more in the middle here, but it's kind of off to the side. But I'm hoping I can sort of just move this back a little bit and possibly trim out this area. We'll see what happens. Okay, so here we have a hole. It actually went pretty well. Ended up using a body saw, and it actually cut through pretty easily. So now this is going to go here. It actually fits pretty good. Like I said, I still might have to trim this end of it to fit the shifter, but I guess we won't know for sure until we get everything bolted in. We have the flywheel on and torqued. Also have this inspection plate. I forgot to put that on before the flywheel, so then I had to drop the starter down to get it on there, but it wasn't really a big deal. And next up, we are going to be test fitting the clutch disc and pressure plate. Also have this ball stud for the Z-bar screwed into the block. Got the clutch disc and pressure plate on. Use this input shaft as an alignment tool. Bolts have red thread lock, torque to 35 foot-pounds. Next will be bell housing. Okay. A little grease on everything. Yeah, this should be interesting. Just imagine everything dry. Up.
See what our alignment situation is.
Left to right.
Just raise it just in here to see what happens.
Feels like resistance.
Yeah. Let's lower it back. Let's pull it back out, see what we got.
Okay.
Hello.
Hey, what are you doing?
Now it's nice distractions. Oops, sorry, son. Trying to get you. Yay!
Pull back.
Yeah.
Once we got the transmission bolted to the bell housing, we installed a cross member, realized the front of the cross member needed to be trimmed to clear the transmission case. The other issue we're running into is the shift linkage rods are pushed up into the transmission tunnel and making contact. So we're going to need to make a little clearance here. Also needed a shorter than stock transmission mount. The back of the transmission was up a little bit too high. Here's Frank with the torch, getting ready to heat up the floor. And make a little clearance with a hammer.
You used to get too hot.
No, yeah, that was crazy. Uh-oh.
What's up there? Paint?
Paint, Dynamat.
Dynamat's far away.
Yeah, it's probably just paint. That's probably hot enough, right?
Could be, I know. A little more.
You got like a rag or something?
Yeah, one rig. It's probably the best thing to do it.
A not greasy rag?
A non-greasy. I don't think we need to get this metal red. Soft enough. Alright, we're gonna hammer. Alright.
It's moving now. Yeah, exactly. It looks like it moved a lot.
Yeah. Alright.
Okay. Concave now.
Smooth. Looks smooth. I want to look like big dents, but
Yeah. Okay.
this was we had the bottom rod, and the other one was right here, like right there.
At this point, we put everything back in, and now we have plenty of clearance for the shifter rods.